All right, this is 6 of 20 trades. I'm trading the S&P 500 futures on the micro ES, and I entered right on the green line right here. So all I'm looking for is a rush of volume and above the 15 EMA. It's extremely simple. So once I see that and we get a good push of volume, that's all I'm following. So I entered here on the green line. So right now I'm wish-washing around profitable. I had set up a sell limit 4 points out, so I always get 3 contracts. You can see here, I get 3 contracts, and then I sell one at the at 4 points. Now I set it up 450, I guess, so I just missed it. I mean, it did come up and hit my sell order, but I didn't get enough because it was a limit order. So unfortunately, I probably should have had this down a little bit here. I should probably just move this right to here just to keep it more in line with the rules. So 4 contracts, trying to get that first contract off. And then I have my stop limit down here below VWAP. I just want to give myself a little bit of room below the initial candle of volume. So whenever you have that first initial volume candle, just have it below there. And because at the time we were close to VWAP, I just wanted to give myself a bit of space. So now we're just letting it play out. I just need to stay nice and calm, chill. I don't really care either way. The whole point of these trades is to just find consistency in a strategy. Not worry about profit, not worry about losses, not worry about anything. Just go through 20 trades. And I mean, the only thing I should be worrying about or thinking about is sticking to the strategy. So that's exactly what it is. And I'll tell you what, it's very freeing. This is the 6 of 20, like I said. And for the 6 trades, I mean, it's been going really well because I'm not concerned about profit. I'm not worried about making a ton of money. I'm more worried about just sticking to my plan and being like a robot. So it's changing my mindset a lot. And that's what I'm really noticing is that as I'm putting on these trades, it's very, it's not as emotional because it's kind of like, you know what, if through these 20 trades I end up losing some money, that's fine. It's more about finding consistency and sticking to something for 20 trades, which I'm sure if you're out there watching this, maybe that's something you struggle with. I know it's something that I struggle with, where, you know, you kind of get onto a trade and you think, okay, this is great. This is a new strategy. I really love this. And then you go on 3 losers and you're like, forget this. I'm moving on to the next one. If that sounds like you, throw a like my way because that's exactly what I'm trying to beat. So I'm just sitting here and thinking, you know what? I'm going to just let this play out. I know exactly what I want to do. I'm just going to leave it on. We'll see what happens. I'll come back when we get some movement. You know, it's not looking good for me right now. And, you know, I'm going to talk a little bit about the psychology behind the trading. This doesn't look very good. This is probably going to break down. Now, obviously, I hope I'm wrong and we continue up. We're kind of bouncing off of VWAP here. Hopefully, we'll see. But I mean, it doesn't look good, right? And I think what's important to remember when you're trading is to accept the risk, right? So and what does that mean exactly? It's that I have set my stop and I've accepted that I'm going to lose money on this trade. Now I have to wholly accept that. So instead of me sitting here and being like, oh no, I hope it goes up. I don't want to lose another one. Let me get out right now so I don't lose as much and this and that. I have accepted that I'm going to lose 120 on the trade. So it's just like I'm either going to win or I'm either going to lose. It doesn't matter either way. And I need to control my emotions because what I'm trying to do is 20 trades. I'm not trying to do one trade today and it better be the right one. Also, a big thing that comes up with traders is, you know, just being wrong. Like I was wrong on this trade. It looks like I'm going to get whipped out here. We'll see. I hope it doesn't whip me out, blow my stop out, and then pin bar all the way up. That's why I gave myself a little bit of room here. But, you know, I have to accept that I'm going to be wrong. And this strategy isn't going to work every single time. There's never... So there, I just lost, you see, 127 bucks. So I lose 127 on the day, you know, that sucks. A couple steps forward, couple steps back. That's just how trading goes. So I need to sit here now and realize that it's like, okay, this is a loser on the day and it's just one trade of 20. So I just went on a run of winners. I had like 3 or 4 winners in a row. I'm going to lose a couple in a row. So this is more than I would have wanted to lose. Unfortunately, I didn't get picked up here. I had it just one tick higher, 50 cents higher. If I had it down there, I would have mitigated some of my risk. And that's why I do, you go up, you get the 4 points. I wish this caught, but it didn't. Come back down. Instead of losing 127, I'd only be losing maybe $100 or something like that. I'm at least mitigating my risk, right? And that's why I have the 4 points there. Unfortunately, it didn't work out for me this time. I'm not going to sit here and be frustrated by all of it and get pissed off, because this is one trade of 20. I need to see what happens by the time we get through all 20 trades. So that's it for the day for me. I mean, that's too much to lose in one day, 127 bucks. You know, that's basically my max losing for the day in this account. Live to fight another day, and we got to go from there. But that's the mentality I need to have and you need to have, where we need to basically just understand that this is one of 20, this is one of 30, this is one of 100, this is one of 1,000 trades. And it's like, hey, this one didn't work out for me. That's how it goes. So thanks for sticking around this long. If you want to follow along and see the trades as they continue, I don't really know what's going to happen either, but I'm learning a ton of lessons along the way. I'm feeling good about the trades anyway. I just lost money, but hey, I stuck to my plan, so I'm happy about it. I'll catch you on the next one.